Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Dila Prila Jayuna. My student's number is 192122047. I'm from English Education Department of Siliwangi University from Literasi, Teknologi, Informasi Class D. And in this video, I would like to show you the data search optimization with Google search engine. There will be a tips and tricks, and here I provide you the list of tips and tricks. You can pause the video and then screenshot. And this is the second slide. Alright, without any further ado, let's get started with the first tips. The first one is use quotation marks. It is to make our search or our topic that we want to search more specific. Alright, here we try. We just use the quotation marks and then the topic and then the quotation mark again. Here we can see the result are very similar with what we type in the search box, right? The correlation. Alright, the second tips, use a hyphen to exclude words. For example, we want to search about my Maudi except Maudi Ayunda. So we type hyphen before the word Ayunda. And we can see the results. There are nothing about Maudi Ayunda. There are about the other Maudi, right? It's simple, isn't it? Alright. The next tip is use a colon to search only certain sites. For example, when we want to search about Jaxi Richard and only on the www.cambridge.org sites, we can use we can type site and then colon and then the site that we want to find. Here we can see the results about Jaxi Richards in www.cambridge.org site, and we can also replace the word site with the word link, and we can not only show the result from Cambridge but also the other link. And then the next tips is about use an asterisk to search for a sentence with some missing words. For example, when we want to search a song lyric, then we didn't know the whole lyric, and then we just type the missing parts in the asterisk. And then the next one is search multiple search topics at once. We can use the word or, and we can type the topic in the quotation marks and then type or and then the other topic. Here we can see the results is about cite a journal or cite an article. Alright, the next tips is find a range of numbers. For example, when we want to find the information in the specific time, like this, who won Piala Citra in 2021. So the results are about the winners of Citra Awards in 2021. Or when we want to know the winners at 2018, we just simply replace the year. So we just simply type double dots and then the year. Alright, the next tip is about look for simple things. We can, for example, find the nearest Indomaret or the nearest Alfamart or something else with Google search engine. Here are the result of the nearest Indomaret from my house. So it's very simply and helpful, right? The next tip is about look for similar sites. We can simply just type related and then colon and then what site that we want to find the similar site. Or not only the similar but also the related site. We can see this example. I search about Tirto ID and then the results are about article that related to Tirto ID. And then the next one is use keywords. It is to make our topic in search engine more specific. For example, I want to find the biggest Gramedia in Tasikmalaya. Just type the biggest and then Tasikmalaya, Gramedia in Tasikmalaya, and the Google will show you the information here, Asia Plaza. Alright, the next tip is use the words the website would use or professional. Yeah, we can use the specific and then the word that probably will be used by the professional website. Like this, if we search about a lot of typo, that will be random topic appeared. But if we make it more specific and then try to make it like a professional website, like reducing typo, and then we can get what we want, right? How to minimize typos, reducing error, and etc. And the next tips is convert anything easily. We can convert the currency, for example. Here, for example, $1 to Indonesian rupiahs. You just simply type $1 to IDR or Indonesian rupiahs. Then, tada! Here is the result. Or we can also use it vice versa. For example, try to convert 1 million Indonesian rupiahs to $1 to Oh, it's simple, right? The next is spelling doesn't really matter in a Google search engine. So if we type with typo, it doesn't matter, because Google will provide you the related or the recommend topic. It's like Google can read what you want, right? Or even when we remove the vowel of what I want to search here, Google will showing the result for the recommendation results, and here I get the result. Alright, the next tip is find specific files. We can simply add the file type and then colon and then what type that we want after the topic. It's very simple. And tada! The results are PDF, because here I want to find a PDF file. Here, let's see the example. If we click the link of the title, and then the file PDF will appear. It's simple, right? And then the last but not least, we can use Google search to do math. it's very simple. We don't need to open the calculator because the Google already provide us the calculator. We just simply type the number and the operation, then Google will show you the result. Alright, that's easy, right? Alright, that's it for this video. Hopefully this will be useful for all of us. And then, yeah, see you in the next video. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.